chairman and chief executive of the French firm Naval Group has said that it has offered 3 additional Scorpene-class submarines to India, and it would help India to utilize the investments made in the project P-75. The 3 additional submarines could be a quick and good opportunity for India, and not using them will be a huge waste of investment. He also said that the Indian Navy had made certain observations during the sea trials of the INS Crores, which was regarding the performance of different parts of the submarine, and the Naval Group will implement the suggested rectifications after the monsoon season. According to latest reports, the Indian Air Force has signed a deal with Russia for buying R-27 air-to-air systems worth over 1,500 crore rupees, which will be fitted on the Su-30 fighter jets. The R-27 can be launched from an altitude of 25 kilometers and has a range of 60 kilometers, and its guidance system includes semi-active radar seeker. According to latest reports, the Indian Navy has received delivery of the first BrahMos system, which will be installed on its advanced Talwar-class frigates, which are currently being built at a Russian shipyard. The BrahMos Aerospace will also supply an 8-cell vertical launch system and a shipborne control unit to the Indian Navy that will be integrated into the frigates. The Chief of India's Western Air Command has said that the air-launched BrahMos cruise system will be operational in the Indian Air Force in the next few weeks. He also confirmed that the range of the air-launched BrahMos system has been increased from 290 kilometers to 450 kilometers. 42 Su-30 fighter jets will be equipped with the air-launched BrahMos system, and it increases India's military options for launching precise operations from a greater range. Russia has started the production of the S-500 system, and it is expected to start entering service with the Russian Air Force in 2020. Russian media has reported that China might become the first and main foreign customer of the S-500 air defense system, and while its technical specifications remain shrouded in secrecy, but reports speculate that the system will have a range of up to 600 kilometers and tracking and countering 10 ballistic targets at hypersonic speeds of Mach 20. The Russian Deputy Prime Minister has said that the Sukhoi aircraft company has started to implement its contract for the delivery of Su-57 fifth-generation fighter jets to the Russian Air Force. A state contract was signed between the Defense Ministry and Sukhoi for the delivery of 76 Su-57 fifth-generation fighter jets, and the first fighter jet will be delivered before the end of 2019. India is set to hand over its first Kilo-Class Submarine to Myanmar, which is currently being modernized by Hindustan Shipyard Limited, and the work is likely to be completed before the end of 2019. Requisite permissions have been taken from Russia, which is the manufacturer of the submarine, and it will be fitted with indigenous systems to train the Myanmar Navy. The Indian Navy has commissioned the 6th amphibious vessel of the Mark IV landing craft utility. Garden Reach Shipbuilders had signed a $305 million agreement with the Indian Navy in September 2011 for designing and building 8 ships, which can be used for transportation and deployment of tanks, armored vehicles, troops and equipments.